Hello everyone. In the last tutorial we created an account for us. So in this tutorial we'll be creating a business account. So in order to do that we click on the menu button, and as you can see there's only one account at the moment. So we'll click on business account, and then we have to enter a couple of required fields. So I'll put in the business name, give a slogan, a little description, contact number, email address, and a website. Next we got to select our business type, and I think for today we'll just be in the baby business. So I'll select clothing, furniture, and education. Then we can continue, and next we got to select our image, and I'll just select our Fassernate little robot and crop him a little bit, and then we can click save. Move that and go continue, and then we can search for an address, and I'll just randomly select an address somewhere. So we're somewhere in Roodeplaat, and for some reason there's no zip code, so I'll just enter one in there. Then we click continue. On the next screen it tells us that the following information will be used to verify that your business enterprise exists and that the information entered is correct and relevant. The information will also be used to generate invoices, statements, quotations, etc. Should you make use of our generators, and these documents will be SARS compliant. So that's a nice little thing to have. It's always easier to get your invoices and statements auto-generated for you. And if you got a registered business, you'd have to click there, give us the date of registration, as well as your enterprise number, and if you're VAT registered, with your VAT number. For this purposes, I'm just going to leave that out. And also you will be required to forward these documents to us should you be a registered business, but we'll get to that in a little later. When we click continue, the next page is our social media information. So it tells us that the following information will be used to help users connect easily on all your social media platforms. This information will help you in directly routing users to social media platforms by application if installed a website without leaving your application page. So once you've set up your application, the user can just click on, say for instance, your Facebook page, and it will route them directly to your Facebook page. And once they're done, they can just click back and it will bring them back to the application. For this reason, I'm not going to put in anything, so we can just click continue. When we get to save our information, it tells us by clicking save, you agree that you fully read and understood the terms and conditions of this application. The terms and conditions, together with the user license agreement and privacy policy, was presented to you upon creating an account. Should you be unsure of anything, please review and contact us before saving. You may continue to set up your business application, but will remain inactive until such time you have verified your banking details. In the case of being a registered business, you also need to provide us with a company registration documents. Doing so will provide you with a verified business stamp. Please refer to the terms and conditions should you be unsure of anything. So if you've read everything and you understood everything and you're quite happy with everything, you can click save. If you're not happy with the terms and conditions, once again, you are free to just uninstall the application. So once we click save, then something should happen and it tells us that our business details were filed okay. And if we go to our account, now you can see that there is two accounts. The one will be your private account and the other one will be your business account. So once you click on there and you select your business, quite a bit more options are open to you now. So you'll be able to set up your business and do quite a bit more things. So in the next tutorial, we'll go through actually creating your business account. Well, you've created your business account, so the next step would be to create your application itself. And once again, thank you for joining us. Look forward to seeing you for the next video.